Alright, I'm gonna make a quick video on how to change out your cabin filter in your Mini Cooper. The only thing you're going to need is the Torx bit T20, and there's a screw right here and right here. Then there's two clips that you have to pop loose. There's one right there, and then there's one right here. And it pops down. Your filter is located right here. Just gonna pull it down. This one's pretty dirty. Okay. Then you're gonna grab your new filter. The arrow faces down. It's gonna go in this groove right here. Slides up in there. Goes all the way up. Let's see. Get it started in the groove. Slides right up. You shut it, put your two screws back in, and then you're done. Thank you for watching.